I'm going to take this two-way aerial splitter apart to see how it works. Now I'm cutting the back off. Has a particular input in which you can put 12 volts either side and it will still work. The 12 volts is normally used for an amplifier power unit, and it's encased in this metal container to keep the water out and to protect it from the weather. The one input and the two outputs are F sockets, and you normally use an F plug to connect the coax cable to the unit. This particular splitter has two holes where you can mount it on wood in the loft or on the wall. And looking inside, there doesn't seem to be much wrong with it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please click on my channel.